It's water.
Alright.
Why did you do that if it was water?
I don't know, you know.
Okay, wait, I want to do it ASMR stuff. HelloFresh.
Today's stream has been sponsored by HelloFresh. HelloFresh is an online delivery service for food. They can get delivered to wherever you live, anywhere on the planet. They supply up to many different meals.
They supply up to many different
They
meals.
supply up to many meals. It ranges between 3 meals to 5 meals a week, 2 to 4 people per box. So you can choose that, and that sets the quantity. If you wish to learn more about HelloFresh and want 50% off your first order, go to the link in the description below. Today we are going to be cooking one of these meals. One of these meals is called the cheesy chiplet bean.
Cheesy what?
Cheesy chiplet. How do you pronounce that?
It's a food chain. Chipotle.
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 Cheesy chipotle bean.
Quesadillas.
Quesadillas. Whenever you make a meal, HelloFresh will give you one of these. For every recipe, all your ingredients will be in this. Everything else, and all the recipes neatly done on these wonderful pieces of paper that has the look of the recipe and everything you need on the back.
But what if you can't read?
If you can't read, then you know what? I feel bad.
What you can't read?
Shush. Drain and rinse the mixed beans in a sieve.
A sieve.
I'll shiv you in a minute. Well, are you able to cook? I am able to cook.
He's really bad at cooking.
I'm not bad at cooking. I'm alright. Sorry, that mixed beans. Delicious. Pop into a bowl and roughly mash with the back of a fork or a potato masher.
Does it rinse mean like I have to put them under the tap?
Yes. While you do that, I'll grate cheese. This meal looks delicious. It's
You
very
look delicious.
cheesy. It's quite cheesy, so I'm looking forward to that. Okay, I don't know if that's enough cheese. Do you want a bigger bowl?
I'm not ready with my beans yet.
Roughly.
I am roughly.
No, that's okay. Add cheese, chipotle sauce. Chipotle sauce.
It's violent.
To the beans. Okay, stop mashing the beans now. Yes. Hey, don't judge the process.
Oh, it smells nice.
Exactly. Don't judge the process, because the process never looks nice. It's always the ending that looks better. Trust in the process.
If you could describe this in one word, what would you describe it as? Like what it's looking like right now?
The process.
Do you want to know what I would use? What word I would use?
What?
Crime scene.
Crime. Season with salt and pepper and a pinch of sugar.
Well, add that in quick, otherwise it's going to be all mixed.
Salt and pepper.
That is not doing anything. You need more than that.
Lay the tortillas, 2 per person.
Tortillas.
Tortillas.
Am I making it really like thick and chunky, or is it like a thin amount?
Enough for you to be satisfied. Wait, did you hydrate? You did.
Do we both get a shot?
Shot water. This is indeed water, don't worry.
Ooh.
Apparently we're meant to have some left over.
Well,
Live!
shush.
Heat a drizzle of oil. Oh. Heat a pan and drizzle it in oil. When the pan is hot, carefully lay the quesadillas. Fry until golden, 2 minutes each side. Hi.
Oh,
Okay,
it's
come with me.
sauce on it.
I've stolen the camera!
Hey guys, welcome back
Hey
to my
guys.
channel. This is what we're cooking.
The quesadillas are in. Use the toast. I was actually going to do that, but the thing is, if you look at the horrible setup we've got at the moment, we've got like the camera stand there, that was where it was. We've got you guys over there. Ooh. We've got the computer right there, the microphone. I can point you down to the food, about there, and then that's about it.
Can you show off what shoes you're wearing?
Oh, my shoes! My little booties!
So you can have more.
We're supposed to put cheese in. These can be yours.
Oh, so true. I forgot the fucking cheese. No cheese. I've actually forgotten the cheese. Well, I'm lactose intolerant. Well, mild lactose intolerance. Cheese intolerant. So I couldn't have cheese, but everyone else can. Yeah, so I bought like when I go to work, I buy this Tesco meal deal for work. It's like £6.40.
£6?
No, because I buy two. £3.20 for each meal. And I always buy the same two sandwiches. I buy the southern fried sandwich, which is like a baguette long thing.
Nice.
And then I get the deli meats one as well. And that, oh my god, it's so good. It actually hits different, that stuff.
Okay, right.
Half tomatoes in a large bowl, mixing with balsamic vinegar.
I can't believe you're trusting me to do this.
I know, right?
How's the cooking going?
How's it going? Not that bad. We're almost finished. We're just making the salad. Liv's making the quesadillas. You guys went on a little adventure around the kitchen. We're doing everything. I've got the little soldiers.
We're cooking everything in the kitchen.
We've got like soldiers that are preparing for battle.
What are you saying?
And olive oil for dressing. Oh yes. We should know how to cook so I can try it. You don't really need any cooking experience actually. It's actually really easy to cook HelloFresh. Comes up, it comes with this whole thing here. All you really need for yourself is salt, pepper, a knife, and a fork. That's really all you need in the end of the day.
And some kitchen utensils.
And some like basic kitchen utensils, and that's about it.
Kitchen ingredients as well.
Basic kitchen ingredients is along with that, but that's about it.
Because I know
Everything else comes with HelloFresh.
If you put a wet paper towel under your tongue, you will not cry.
I've got a trick where I just stick my tongue out and then I don't cry. Yeah, you stick your tongue out and don't cry.
Is that really?
That's been added now. Now I just need to add the balsamic vinegar to it. You want salad?
No.
You finished your meal?
Yeah.
How was it?
It was good.
Rate it out of 5.
At 5.
Yeah. 5 stars.
No, not even 5 quesadillas.
5K. How many quesadillas are quesadillas?
Let's see. I think I'd rate it 4 quesadillas out of 5 quesadillas.
Oh, that's not too
Scope
bad.
for improvement.
What's up? Yeah, what can we do to improve our meal?
I don't know. I felt like it was lacking something.
Probably the sugar.
Yeah. We're missing sugar in it. There we are. That is the quesadilla recipe by HelloFresh. Looks amazing. It actually looks. It smells amazing.
See, I told you.
Huh?
You were doubtful. You said it looked disgusting. You said it looked like a crime
No,
scene.
you said it looked like
No,
a
it was
crime.
you.
You said it looked like a crime scene, and that we should abolish it. Mmm.
That one's got cheese in it.
Yeah, fine.
Imagine being lactose intolerant. Just tolerate it, bro.
I'm going to put the salad in the quesadilla.
So you have to describe it.
Tell
Tell us the sensation of the food in your mouth.
It's like, it's hot, but it's cold, and there's crunch of the, when you eat into the tomato, you get that sense of, you get that rush and that aroma. If you want to experience stuff like this, literal, no joke, restaurant quality food.
3 Michelin star food.
3 Michelin star food, Gordon Ramsay approved.
Gordon Ramsay's
Honestly,
food was as good as this.
This, if you guys want to try it, literally for 1 week, 1 whole week of HelloFresh, it's £16. £16. That's like, that's an actual steal. That's £16 for all your dinners paid for.
You're saving a lot more money.
Saving so much money with this.
Can I request a baking
The
stream?
vegan
But me
options,
and you
but you
bake
like
cake.
speakers, just kidding.
Because I'm good at baking, and
Okay.
you're not good at baking.
I'm good at baking.
Well, do you prefer cooking?
Bake Off.
Oh, me and you go against each other.
The British Bake Off.
No, but if I make a cake and you make a cake, and we go against each other.
Oh yeah, that's good. Well yeah, definitely. If you guys want to see that,
What, Jordan versus Liv?
Jordan versus Liv, baking
Okay.
extravaganza.
What would you like to see a baking stream next instead of cooking, like making cakes?
I think that will be. I think that just wraps up the stream,
That's
doesn't
cooking
it?
at its finest.
Yep, that's cooking at its finest. We've done it. Thank you so much, people, for coming to the stream. It's very appreciated. We value every
Chinese
single one of you.
restaurant.
What's the end button?
The end button.
End. That is it. Give a little dance.
Uh,